And we are back. Hi, guys. Today, Anya and I went a little shopping, okay? And we decided we are going to rate some of the squishies that you find, tablet squishies that you find in Chinese shops. What do you call it? Chinese market? Yeah. So, right. Let's start.
I'm gonna start.
Let's see what you got, girl.
We're
Right.
gonna end with that one because it's the most cringiest one.
Cringy.
So we're gonna start with this one.
So yeah, she's got
This one, I love it.
ice cream squishy. And they are from, what is this place? It just says squishy. It just says squishy. So I'm not sure where they're from. Right.
So let's open it.
Let's check it out.
I want to be very careful with its packaging because
Why? Just rip it.
I want to keep the.
But it's plastic, so that really doesn't matter.
I want to keep this. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is how it looks on the package. Oh my gosh.
That looks squishy. Super squishy.
It comes with these balls. Ah! Goodness!
I don't know what the point is of those balls, but
It is very funny.
right. So
Oh my gosh, it's glittery.
it's very sticky.
And very glittery.
That is very sticky.
I hate these balls.
I don't know what the point of the balls are because it doesn't actually get stuck in the...
We can use it for arts and crafts.
Okay, so this is the ice cream squishy. I quite like that. The glitter doesn't come off that much. I was expecting the glitter to really come off.
Listen to the sound.
All right. Next one is
The donut.
the donut.
It's the same brand as this one. Ow!
Careful.
This thing is sticky. Where's the packaging? Let me put you back in the package.
Okay. First, just do the... All right. So this one is the donut. Donut.
Ew. Oh my gosh, the sprinkles. Ugh!
Okay. So
The balls are falling out.
so this donut has got sprinkles on it.
And it makes it feel so weird.
And it does feel weird. Listen to that.
Ah, mommy, the sprinkle! The sprinkles!
Oh, and the sprinkles, they like coming off all over the car. I think we should put that back. It looks cool though. It's just the sprinkles. Yeah,
Oh, by
that's
the way, we
quite
forgot
messy.
to rate it. So this one I'll give a 9 out of 10. This one, I think it's my favorite so far, so 10 out of 10. Because it's nice.
Okay.
I just want all of them to go back in their packaging because I don't want them going all over the place.
All right. Up next, we have the teddy bear squishy. Oh, she's cute, Anya.
Yeah, I chose this one out.
Mm.
We got a yellow monster for my baby brother.
Yeah, we'll show you guys what that one looks like, but we're not going to open it because...
He's going to be very upset.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, this thing is very complicated to get open. Okay. It feels a bit fuzzy.
Does it feel fuzzy?
A bit.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's oily.
No, it's not oily.
No, if you rub your hands, it's oily.
No, it's not this one that feels like, ooh.
No,
This-
just rub your hands like this. It's oily.
No.
Guys, this thing is so cute. It's
This one
adorable.
is cute, and this one is my favorite. So, out of all of them so far, this one is my favorite. He doesn't have any weird feelings about him,
And you
and
can stretch him.
he's nice and stretchy.
All of them are actually stretchy.
Yeah, but some of them, the others feel kind of weird.
Yeah. Like the donut.
Yeah, the donut is weird.
You can see the little fuzz on it. It doesn't make such a big noise, so 8 out of 10. Last one, guys. So, this is how it looks. It's so funny for some reason.
It's a monster.
It's Monster.
And this is not from the same company. This is from Squishy, and that is from...
I can't see, so I'm gonna.
This one is actually called a Monster Squishy something party. Monster Squishy Party.
Ooh. Whoop, whoop.
All right.
I hate how these things are so hard to open.
And you must be careful because they've got those little silver thingies, staples in them.
Got it. Ooh.
Monster.
Okay, this is floating.
I still don't get the idea of the balls, but
These ones are floating.
they all have balls in them. Oh, wow.
That's a squishy.
Let me feel that one. This one, again, also very sticky, but I like this one. I like the Monster Squishies.
You know what? This is gonna be the biggest number.
Which one do you like the most?
This one.
The Monster one.
100 out of 10.
And show us what your brother's one looks like.
It's weird. This one's even weirder.
Yeah, so this is the same like this monster.
Oh, this one can bounce.
Yeah. He just looks different. So yeah,
That's
we're not gonna unpackage this one
He's gonna
because
cry.
yeah, Emil will do this himself. So these are like 25 Rand for the monster
So cheap.
squishy party ones. And what are these called? They just called squishies.
They all are actually tab squishies.
Yeah, these Tabba squishies are 20 Rand.
Amazing.
Yeah, these are like 20 Rand, and the monster ones is a little bit more expensive. That is 25 Rand. And that is about all we got. Yeah, obviously.
I got
Anya's
this,
got some
and I'll show you something else I got.
some nails as well.
This cutest sharpener.
A cute sharpener.
Where's my cute eraser that I want to show you? Did we forget it? Did I forget it? No.
Is it not in there?
Okay, I found it. Here's one for my big brother, Connor. It's cute. It's a yellow giraffe. And a pink one for me. I wish they had a purple one. Because pink isn't a very big color for me. I don't really like pink, but mommy says I do like pink, which I don't.
I think you do.
I don't.
You always choose pink things.
That's a lie.
You just chose that pink eraser and sharpener.
I'm sure those things are high. I couldn't see if there was like a purple one or a pink eraser.
Okay, anyway, so those are the squishies that we have,
Bought for me.
got for Anya to add to her collection of squishies.
And we will be coming back next time, maybe.
Yes, with your dumpling.
Yeah, because they sold out.
So hit this video with a like
And
and
subscribe. And don't forget to comment.
thank you. See you again next time.